Hello everyone, and welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to create a composition. To create a composition, you will first need to create a scenario or launch a deployment run. If you would like to review the process for creating a scenario or launching a deployment run, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. But if you have your scenario or deployment run ready to go, you will see a Publish button in the upper right of the Asset Overview page. Clicking Publish will then create a composition for the Express users in your project. When creating the composition, you will give it a name and, optionally, a description. You will also be able to edit the system settings, networking, and custom properties. When you are done, your compositions can be found under the Manage section of the main menu. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, concert.com/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@concert.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.